morning, SciTech. This week, we're focused on the value of persevere, that we keep trying even when things get hard. And today, I want you to ask yourself, what do I need to keep trying even when I don't understand the problem? Today is day 2 of math for 3 through 8th grade, and we have map testing continuing in our lower grades from pre-K to 2nd. So let's make sure we're sending energy both ways so we can show the city why SciTech is the best school to be at and why our students are the smartest students. And so let's talk about some ways that you can get caught persevering. We are going to do a video next week with all of the pictures. I made that decision this morning, and so we'll do a bigger video with all pictures next week. I know a lot of you guys want pictures on Fridays. So some things you can do today. 1, annotate questions. Pick the right operation. And annotating your question is really going to help you pick the right operation. Remember, with multiple choice, it can get a little tricky, especially with 2-step problems. And so let's make sure we know what that question is asking us to do. Drawing a model. Even with multiple choice questions, drawing a model is super helpful because it can help you make sure you are understanding what the problem is saying. Whether it's drawing groups because you're multiplying, or splitting things into groups because you're dividing, or using a fraction model or an area model, whatever that might be, make sure you use it because I know your teachers have taught you. And then making sure you're writing your answers in complete sentences with units if we have constructive response, or explaining your answers so that way your teachers can help you if you got something wrong later on. Remember, benchmarks are like our playoff games. We get to show off our skills, scare off our competitors, and then really get ready for the championship game of Park that happens at the end of the year. We want to celebrate some benchmark pros because at SciTech we like to observe some serious skills. In 3rd grade, Samaya Smith and Savon Smith for being focused and showing lots and lots of perseverance. And then also Reginelle, she made sure she explained all her answers even when an explanation wasn't needed. That's what I'm talking about. That's being a pro. In 4th grade, we want to celebrate Tyler Gordon and Kevon Scott. Tyler Gordon and Kevon Scott showed all their work and they were checking it. They were using multiplication to check division problems, addition to check subtraction problems. Nice job, guys. Deshaun Johns and Robin Clark in 5th grade showed lots of perseverance. In 6th grade, Roger Kranza and Rosea Holmes working till the last minute and checking their work. Nice job, guys. And in 7th grade, Dijon Curtis, Ronjal Wright showing lots of growth and just killing the test. And in 8th grade, Darius Herrera, Janisha Gaskin handling their business. Miss Abel is really proud of her 7th and 8th graders. We want to observe some birthdays. Samaya Harris, happy birthday. And this weekend, Walter Bell and Dijon Curtis in 2nd grade will be celebrating birthdays. Happy birthdays to you guys. And hope you guys have a great weekend celebrating. Now, I know there's been a lot of talk about the winter formal. We have 2 things going on. Today, I am going to announce the official winter court based on highest GPAs. Again, this winter court is based on highest GPAs. In 5th grade, our Lord is Ryan Ben. In 5th grade, Our Lady is Robin Clark. 6th grade, Duke is Johan Carranza. 6th grade, Duchess is Janiyah Wiggins. 7th grade, Prince, Dejan Powell. 7th grade, Princess, Amaya Oni. 8th grade, King, Darius Herrera. And 8th grade, Queen, Coriel Benson. These kiddos are our top 8 GPAs at SciTech. Each one of these students is at the top of their class. That means in their grade level. This year we're doing it differently than last year. We're doing the highest GPA at your grade level. And so congratulations, guys. We are so proud of all of your hard work, and we cannot wait to celebrate you at the winter formal. Now, today in homeroom, each grade level will also have the opportunity to nominate a student representative. And so make sure you take the survey to nominate a student representative who is also going to be recognized at the winter formal. A couple of announcements. 1, Hall Pass or Full BI. You guys have been doing a great job using your Hall Passes. Now, sports coaches also have Hall Passes, so there's no reason anyone should be walking around the building without a Hall Pass. Remember, the nurse is going to hand you a slip for coming back from the nurse, and it will have a time. Make sure you're handling your business. Quick reminder, we have Pictures with Santa next week. Make sure you are bringing in your order forms for Pictures with Santa. Not everyone will be taking it, only if you bring in money for your pictures. And then finally, again, a reminder, Winter Formal is next week. It's on Thursday. 3rd and 4th grade, your Winter Formal is going to be during the day, and 5th through 8th grade, yours is at night. You'll be getting flyers about it next week. Have a great Friday, SciTech.